We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at Ferris's FW45 with the 52-inch cutting deck. This does have a 52-inch fabricated cutting deck, as well as the movable panel here that's going to give you access to your maintenance points. Your 20.5 horsepower Kawasaki engine. This does also have the Hydro Gear ZT3400s, as well as 7-inch cooling fans. And your cutting height adjustment, which is going to be between 1.5 inches and 5 inches. Here we have your controls. This does have pistol grips. Has your PTO, your choke, and your throttle. Here we have your return to neutral pedals, parking brake. This mower does have a 5-gallon fuel tank, as well as cast iron greasable spindles. Once again, this is the Ferris FW45 with the 52-inch cutting deck. If you're interested in this mower, any of the mowers you've seen on our channel, give us a call at 615-641-7720. Not only do we have these great mowers in stock, but we have your trailers, handhelds, and we can make you a great package deal.